Verisurf 2023 simplifies cloud measurement with non-contact scanners through the use of a new measure function featuring dedicated scanner controls. After choosing cloud measurement, the scanner controls, including scan rates, clipping plane, and pre- and post-processing filters, are displayed conveniently on the Measure Settings tab. This new arrangement simplifies scanning measurements by providing direct access to the controls. Verisurf further simplifies measurement with scanning devices through the addition of the toggle Scan View button on the Measure toolbar. When selected, Scan View enables both Auto Center and Auto Set View in Verisurf Preferences, Measure Options. Auto Center automatically pans the viewport to center the device in the graphics window as the part is measured. Auto Set View automatically rotates the graphics view to keep the shaft axis parallel to the nearest view plane. These automatic view settings make it easy to keep track of the cloud coverage when scanning parts. To see the difference, schedule a demonstration at verisurf.com. Continue to watch the Verisurf 2023 Feature Highlights series and subscribe to our channel to learn more.